everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to do a new rhyme. Yes, today we are going to do a new rhyme. Two little birds. Yes, so are you all ready? Super. So, let's get started. Two little birds, up in the sky, up in the sky. One flying low, one flying high. One flying low, one flying high. Flying low, flying high. See the birds flying up in the sky. One, two. Two little birds flying in a row. Two little birds flying in a row. One flying fast, one flying slow. One flying fast, one flying slow. Flying fast, flying slow. Flying fast, flying slow. See the birds flying in a row. One, two. Two little birds up off the ground. Two little birds up off the ground. One flying straight, one flying round. One flying straight, one flying round. Flying straight, flying round. Flying straight, flying round. See the birds flying off the ground. Yay! Two little birds up in the sky. Two little birds up in the sky. One flying low, one flying high. One flying low, one flying high. Flying low, flying high. See the birds flying up in the sky. Yay! Thank you.